Okay, you good.
Yep, so these folks went into bankruptcy back in 1933. That means you're off the chessboard, right? So they had to come up with a scheme with the Federal Reserve, which they did, to trick the American people into giving them value, meaning the United States corporation, which y'all didn't know was a corporation, so they can continue to exist and fuck our money up. So this is what they came up with. The feds was like, hey, I hear you need some more money. And you come here talking about you need some more money, and we didn't just witness you blow all that slave money in 400, less than 100 years, 400 years of free money and labor. You done blew it all. Now you come talking about you need some more. What we gonna do? Now, if you come up with some collateral or something, then we can talk. So they were like, well, we're gonna get the American people, they're gonna back us up this time, again. And they was like, okay, yeah, well, we're gonna need some evidence of that bullshit. So they go get some evidence. That evidence became what we know today as the birth certificate. I know y'all hear about that birth certificate got some kind of value and it's something to that and shit, all this. It really is. I'm about to drop the game for you. What's going on is, and when you have a baby, the hospital come with this birth certificate application that they done got from the county. So when you fill out the application, they actually sell the information to the county. The information they sell to the county create a bond or a stock off of it. A negotiable instrument is what I'm really saying, off of this birth certificate, and they base it, the value of it, off your pledged labor that your parents pledged for life when they signed you up, and your estate, which is the land, the value that you didn't know you had. So you see why I had to go into the beginning of it and give you a foundation of who you are, so you can know when I talk about the land value that this is your house. And this land has value, and this value is yours, and it's codified in that birth certificate. Now check this out. If there's a certificate, there's a title somewhere to that certificate, and the title is money. See, they got us thinking because we go to their schools that the only thing is